Hey guys, can you focus on the soundtrack in this scene?
I just wanted to know that I don't care about the scars.
So this soundtrack has been made by Hans Zimmer, one of the best composer in the movie industry, and it gives this extra tension into the scene. So I will show you how I create this sound in my production. So first of all, I need to find the right instrument that will help me to do this effect. And then I just need to adjust the parameters until I'm satisfied with it. And now, to create this progression in the sound effect, I will use the touch strip. Now, let's hear it in context. So I hope you guys enjoy the process of the sound design. If you like it, write a comment below and I will send you the preset.